Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting the second day. In the morning it rained a lot and so we slept in until about 12 o'clock and then we ate something and we chilled a bit. We also uploaded the video from yesterday, which I realized that I lost everything and we had to start all over again. So yeah, that was it, the video then. We were editing the video until about 3 o'clock, but then we had to sleep and so that's why it came one day late. We should be able to get this video out today. Yeah, so let's get the bikes out and then go right before the weather turns bad again.
Sky tissue that I wish you saw. Sarcastic Mr. Know-It-All. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you, 'cause with the birds I'll share. With the birds I'll share this lonely view. And with the birds I'll share this lonely view.
And the best part about our Airbnb is that we have keys for everything, but we don't have keys for the front door. So this lock is, somebody closed it yesterday, and now it's permanently locked. We cannot open this door. Lift all the bikes through this one. Sounds good from... Hey! Hey! Sounds good! Ja, didn't even.
Blood loss in a bathroom stall. A southern girl with a scarlet draw. A wave goodbye to Maui and Paul.
Great start for our second day. I think the destination right now, the first destination is the beach. We've never actually seen the beach here, so... And maybe you've already seen our situation with the oranges or mandarins or whatever I call them.
Yesterday.
I'm already working on the YouTube video to maybe put it out today or tomorrow, we'll see when. We collected a lot of oranges today. I don't know what exactly the fruit is, but it looks like this when you open it. And I think it's great. They taste amazing and they're free, so we took a lot of them with us. I didn't recognize the fruit yesterday, I'm sorry. But now I have learned from my friends and from the internet that they are oranges and enjoyed the oranges. But today we want to collect some more, so I have a bag with me and also my backpack, so we can take more with us. And yeah, we'll have to search a tree with has I don't know the word for it, but it's like reif when they are done, when they are ready to eat, are pretty sour when they're not ready to be picked. The oranges. Today. The script that burnouts get way easier than on Supermoto wheels.
Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. Every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you go,
Oh yeah, he's feeling it, man.
so if you
Did you see his face?
I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go. I'm sorry if it's all too much, but every day you're here I'm healing. I was running out of love. I never thought I'd find this feeling. 'Cause I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. Every melody is timeless. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. Symphony, we hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go.
I miss the taste of the sweet life. I miss the conversation.
Welcome back. We just recorded some banger drone footage, and now we're gonna make ourselves on the way back. Sounds like the others are riding my bikes up the stairs. Kom, kom, ik zeg. Ja, is goed, ja.
But on that road I'm so fall. Oh baby, why did you run away? I was there for you in your darkest time. I was there for you in your darkest night. But I wonder where we are. When I was down on my knees, and you said you had my back, so I wonder where rules you took him back to me. So I'm following the map that leads to you, the map that leads to you. Ain't nothing I can do.
Ja, maar mee.
Following, following, following to you, the map that leads to you. Ain't nothing I can do. The map that leads to you. Following, following, following. Hard to resist temptation. 'Cause something strange has come over me. Now I can't get over you. No, I just can't get over you. I was there for you in your darkest times. I
Oh
was
shit!
for you in your darkest night. But I wonder where we are.
We're back for 2 seconds and the real kitchen is already. Wheels on wheels. And the oranges are looking fine. What down there?